We will discuss how the Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, causes infectious mononucleosis and what happens inside the body during this process.
When EBV enters the body, it typically infects the cells that line the back of the throat, called oropharyngeal epithelial cells. This allows the virus to replicate, which means it makes copies of itself, and then EBV spreads into the saliva. From there, it infects a specific type of immune cell called B lymphocytes, which are found in lymphoid tissue, such as the tonsils. These infected B cells help spread the virus throughout the body, particularly in the lymph nodes, liver, and spleen. This process explains the common symptoms of swollen glands, fever, and fatigue.
After someone is exposed to EBV, there is an incubation period, meaning a delay before symptoms appear, which typically lasts between 4 to 8 weeks.
During this time, the virus multiplies and establishes infection. In patients with EBV infection, the immune system responds strongly. EBV-infected B cells trigger the production of antibodies, including heterophile antibodies. These are a specific type of antibody that react to certain animal red blood cells, like sheep and horse cells. This is what the common monospot test detects to diagnose mono. A major part of the immune response involves a type of white blood cell called T lymphocytes. These T cells are responsible for controlling the virus during the acute phase of infection. The atypical lymphocytes that appear in the blood of patients with mono, usually about 1 to 3 weeks after symptoms begin, are primarily these activated T cells. If the immune response to EBV is weak or poorly controlled, the virus can persist at higher levels, which may increase the risk of more serious complications. In rare cases, EBV infection can lead to certain types of cancers, such as Hodgkin lymphoma or other lymphomas, especially in people with weakened immune systems. Because of these potential long-term risks, there is growing interest in developing an EBV vaccine to prevent infection and reduce complications.
Research is ongoing to better understand the virus, its effects on the immune system, and how to stop its transmission.